cake, you know?
Right, I understand.
And it's like you cutting the cake, you know?
It's soft, huh?
Almost there. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Right here.
Let me see. That's the pipe that's leaking?
Yeah, but you have leak from here too. Oh, I cannot leave this like this. Just gonna go inside the wall later. Make sure it's not gonna go inside, you know? Okay, let me go more.
So it's leaking there, but it's leaking.
You have a leak from cold side, ma'am, and you have a leak from hot side too.
Uh-huh.
So this is the cold side, you see? And this is the hot side.
Okay.
But here it's a little bit stronger.
Can I help you?
Huh?
Do you want me to help you in some way? So that's the cold water pipe.
Okay. So your valve is not working. So when you're gonna wanna shut the water off from the hot side, it's not working. So from here to here, and from here, you see the rusted thing here on the cold side.
Wait, that's the hot water you said.
That's the cold water, but for cold water, you put separate shut-off valve. When you want to close the hot side, you can close from here. But your valve here is not working. So I'm trying to turn, it's just turning like stocks.
And that's for the hot water you said.
Yeah, the hot water this is the cold water line. Cold goes inside the water heater and coming out hot, okay? But the cold side, you have to put shut-off valve. When you
Okay.
want to close the
I get
hot
it.
side, so you have to shut the hot side from here. But
And that
this-
doesn't work.
That doesn't work.
And that's for the cold water.
That's for the cold water.
Okay.
So you have a leak from here. So we have to cut here, here, and from here to here with the new valve. We have to change that. And this one we have to cut right here, a little bit down to fix the leak here, okay?